Yo, hello. Can you guys hear me? Hello. Yo, what's up, Mesmer? What's up, Psycho? What's up, Shadow? Third, yeah. I guys, there's a other court hearing. Do you know the court hearing that was like last time? Like the 23rd court hearing, they delayed it. And now it's gonna be on the, like today, literally right now, after 3 minutes. So I'm kind of hyped for that. I posted a new montage. Just go to. I'm gonna be reacting to some montages after the court hearing. Stay tuned. Yo, what's up, Sai? What's up, Jadel? I'm sorry if that's the wrong pronunciation. We're just waiting for like, Golden to start the court hearing. But yeah, it started by the way. You can join. Yeah. Hold up. I'm gonna pause the stream real quick. Oh my god, guys, you won't believe what just happened. Hold up. Wait, look at this. Like when I join launch meeting, look what it says. Yo, okay, so I'm joining the meeting. Make sure you like the stream. It really helps out. It says the meeting has reached a maximum of 100 participations. Please try again later, bro. Oh my gosh, hold up. Let's just check out Golden. Oh, Golden said he's gonna stream it, so I'm not really sure about that. Yo, what's up, Frizzy? Hold up. Wait, let's go on YouTube. What is the Zoom code? It'll just go on Twitter's and like go on the Golden's Twitter and you'll see it. I hope it coming back. Yeah, same. Hold up. Wavy is also live streaming it. Wait, can you guys hear like the screen? Just tell me if you guys like could hear. Oh, guys. Okay. Yo, can you guys hear me? Wait, hold up. Can you guys like hear the screen? Can you guys hear the screen? Can you guys hear the screen? Can you hear like the screen? Hold up. Write 10 if you can hear the screen. Like the the core hearing. No? Okay. So they're basically still didn't start it. So they're just waiting. Hold up. I'm gonna try to do something. Can you guys hear it now? Guys, can we get 200 likes? That's what I'm aiming for, please. Shut up. Kid, shut up. You're watching my stream. Yo, Bird, is that you? Check general. Thank you for your patience as we sort this out. It's okay. There's still a lot of people joining this call. You're getting your channel taken down. No, I did it before. Yeah, please. All you have to do is put it private and then put it back public. I put it private. No, after I end it, I put it private. After I wait like a week or two, and I put it back public. That's it. Last time we recorded got so upset. If you come back, I'll be happy. Yeah, bro. Golden's still in live stream. Guys, 200 likes? How to get mod? All you gotta do is donate, bro. They wouldn't act like this in court, but because nobody sees them, they just keep. I mean, that's name. Okay. Don't. She's calling us junkies because we want to. I'm gonna try to join the court hearing myself. Okay, hold up. So laggy, man. Oh my god. Okay, how are you watching it? Like you guys joined the court hearing. Hold up. Oh my god, yo, I joined the court hearing. Hold up. Bro, hold up. Can you guys hear me? Hold up. Can you guys hear the chat? Bro, hold up. What should I? Bro, oh my god, okay. Wait. I don't know if you guys can hear. No way. Yeah, I can't believe this. Yo, can you guys hear the Like, lady, talk. Hopefully it's good news. Yeah, bro. Hopefully. Hold on. I think you guys could like, see it better. The judge. Like, this lady's the judge. Thomas S. Hickson. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm not sure. Yo, 6 viewers. Hey guys, drop a like if you haven't already. Face reveal question mark. Bro, I don't know why. Hold up. I like. I'm pretty sure you guys can hear, but it's just the voice is so low. She's barely talking. So I'm pretty sure they're just waiting. Yo, so this is the judge. Her name is Thomas S. Hickson. She's even talking. Nah, man, she's not even talking, bro. She's just like sitting there. She's basically just waiting for Tim Cook and the others to join. I wish I'm good luck. Yeah, bro. Bro, can you guys hear her? Oh my god, she's basically just saying that there's too much people in the court hearing since there's like 500 people. Ooh, if you guys wait, can you guys see my screen? Yo, oh my god, okay, a lot of things are happening right now. Yo, wait, can you guys hear it? Wait, right one, right one. If you guys could hear, please tell me you guys could hear. Can you hear the judge? One, oh, let's go. Okay, you guys could hear. Yo, what's up, Ari? What's up, corrupted? No, I can't, bro. You sure? I can't. Hold up. What's the Zoom code? It's 53. Hold up. I'm gonna show it. It's 526718. Is this the actual Epic versus Apple recording? Yeah, bro. Like this is literally it. Can you guys hear like her talking? Thanks, no problem, man. Awesome. I can hear you, but not the recording. You can't hear the judge. Hold up. I'm gonna try to fix that. Damn, man. Yo, my voice should be better. Can you guys hear me or the judge? Hold up. Yeah, I'm talking for sure. Also, this is it, the Epic versus Apple core hearing. You can hear me? Okay, okay. I'm just gonna tell you everything because, like, I can't, I'm pretty sure I can't, like, record the audio because I might get sued here. So I'm gonna just record like, them and I'm gonna tell you what they're saying. Yo, what's up, Skull Trooper? Yo, so this is it if you guys don't believe me. And sorry if there's background noise because I'm recording this in the balcony. And guys, this is basically it. This is the court hearing. So they're basically waiting for the attorney. Cause like the problem here is the judge is like removing because so much people joined. The judge keeps removing people. So they're just looking for the attorney right now. Like the judge is just basically saying like who's the attorney, and they're just kicking a lot of people. Okay, she's saying the judge is saying like let's just get started, and then I'll keep kicking out people. And then like Tom's is saying he doesn't find the two people, the two attorney. Oh my god, it's a lot of things are happening right here, bro. Yes, you can't screen share this. And nice job keeping us updated. Thank you, bro. I know I can't screen record this, but screw it, bro. Might as well, you know. Hold off. Wait, guys. Hold up. Okay, they're basically saying, please proceed. We're literally waiting and stuff. Holy thanks, amen. Bro, this, okay, hell, let's go. Okay, they're basically just saying for, like, waiting for the attorney, basically. Hold up, I'm gonna try, wait, you guys can't hear, right? I'm gonna try to do something. Bro, disconnect audio. Damn, wait, I just did something. Hold up. I'm gonna disable chat 1 minute. I think I can get you guys to hear it. Dial in, call my phone, call over internet. Bro, what is this? You are using the device audio. Hold up. Can you guys hear me? And can you guys hear the court? Is today the day they officially answer yes or no to keep ban? The meeting is full, yeah. Yo, I'm lucky I'm here, bro. Can you guys like hear me or the judge? Just tell me, because I think I changed something pretty big that I shouldn't have changed. I will just watch from here. Oh yeah, just watch from here. I'm gonna tell you like what's happening. Yo, can you guys hear like the judge talking? Just tell me, cause I can fix the problem. So just tell me if you can hear the judge talking. Yo, okay, this is actually insane. No, you can't hear. Okay. Bro, what? Bro, I don't want to record this. Damn, nah. Oh, wait, never mind. They're recording it. Okay, hold up. I'm gonna fix that. Guys, stay in stream. Hold up. Okay, screw this. Hold up, guys.
That bitch, she kicked me. Is it okay if we proceed?
Yes, Your Honor, please proceed. I do not wish to hold the court up. If my colleagues and the client representative can join while we're talking, it'd be great, but we understand.
Okay, thank you. Let's proceed then, Murphy. Let's go. No more kicking, man. Let's go. You mad? I'm happy. You mad? I'm happy.
Oh my god. Hold up, bro. It's loading. Damn, bro. Oh my god. This is some insane stuff right here. Yo, shout out to Wavy, by the way. I'm recording from him. Since, like... Hold up. Okay, guys. I think... Hold up. Yeah, Golden is streaming it. Golden is streaming it.
Oh, Pez, I think he said? From Apple? Ben Siegel?
Golden's not doing nothing, bro. Screw Golden, bro. Let me go back to Wavy. That's like the real guy. Okay. Hold on. Waited for load. Dab. Yeah, man. It's just loading right now. Yo, what's up, Brayden? Hold up. How can I be mod?
My colleague calls Banner and we're both in the meeting.
Can I be
Good
mod?
morning.
Oh, shoot. Samsung's in this too?
Joint discovery of the breach here.
Oh my god.
Let's start with
Samsung's here too?
Samsung, so we don't make Samsung sit through an 8x argument at a time when they're carrying my job. I'll give you my tentative thoughts.
Samsung's here too?
I do think that this subpoena
No black guys?
implicates,
For real, bro. Where my black boys at? Where my black kids at? Come on,
within
y'all.
the meaning of rule.
Where my monkeys at? Nah, I'm joking. I'm
So
black.
I think,
I'm
at least my
joking.
tentative thought is
I'm
that
black. I'm
needs to
joking.
show
Don't take it to
a
offense.
substantial need for these documents. I understand that because you're only seeking documents that are not in the possession of Epic Games, that I guess only Samsung is in possession of the documents that are the subject of this motion. Here's the issue I'm struggling with. When I go back
Stop to the right. No.
Judge Rogers' ruling on the motion for a preliminary injunction, she emphasized a helpful point that these claims in antitrust law more generally are not concerned about an individual consumer or an individual producer such as Epic Games. They're interested in market aggregates. And so it seems to me that the entire subject of RFP 5 is just one market participant. It happens to be the plaintiff in an action of 20
Bro, young boy got some good ass hair, bro.
But
He got
Epic
some
Games
good
is
ass
just
hair.
still one.
Look at his hair, bro. I'm trying to get hair like him.
And so I'm struggling with.
Who's winning right now? It just started. We don't know who's winning.
Epic Games' individual situation.
I'm black, so
But it
what's
seems
up,
like
daddy?
Apple's trying to use these documents to show relevant markets or the existence of competition. And I'm just struggling with how information about one participant in the market could there could be a substantial need for that information. So why don't you start with that?
Sure, in your honor, we aren't just the material, first of all, from one participant. We have
150 guys, like up the stream, guys. We're trying to get 300 likes in the stream.
Let me back up a little bit. We start with Judge Rogers' order, where I think we quoted.
I'm Wavy Star channel. Everyone that's cap.
Okay, sorry guys, hold on. I'm gonna try to fix that. Let me go back on Twitch.
Junction. They said that the case is all about Epic, and they always also broadly talked about game developers, and at a minimum, Epic's distribution options.
Bye, bro. See ya, man.
In this case, it's
Okay, I'm trying to.
I'll tell you guys they say something important, but they're basically just summarizing what this case is supposed to be about, and they're trying to defend the fact that they think that they shouldn't need to use certain documents, but they should use other documents, basically. So yeah, very boring. And this man just got hit offline. He's lagging, bro. Man got hit off. So it's like 2,000. It shouldn't take too long. Probably like an hour. Probably like an hour.
We're just basically.
I hate my own content. I'm my own hater. Interesting.
Basically just waiting.
All right.
Bro.
Wait, Siegel, are you trolling?
Fortnite versus Apple, yeah, man. I'm trying to.
Court hearing number 2, and I'm giving you stream perms. You better not troll. All right, court hearing number 2. Wait, there already is a court hearing number 2. What the hell? Oh, I made 2 by accident.
Oh.
Ooh, they're talking about Fortnite. Oh wait, it's a Fortnite hearing.
You guys can hear Golden though, right? I'm pretty sure you can hear him.
Guys, join the court hearing 2 if you didn't get in. Siegel, you better not troll. All right, there you go. You guys can go in that one if you didn't get it. If you can't watch it on this one. All right, there's now a second court hearing, BC. If you guys can't get in this one, and hopefully Siegel will actually stream it. Siegel, can you do it now?
Bro, screw this, man. Keep saying it's Max. Oh my god. I'm gonna just keep trying to join at this point. This meeting has reached a maximum of 100 participations. Bro, why did I even... Oh my god, nah. I'm joining this one way or another. Hold up. I'm gonna fix this for you guys. Bro, wait. Did I join it? Bro, how much percent chance is it epic? Ah, man. Oh my god, bro. Yo, can you guys hear me clear now? I'm pretty sure you can hear me way better. Yo, Epic might win this, not gonna lie. It's like a pretty big chance that Epic's gonna win. Oh my god, it's so echoey, bro. So basically just Epic just talking, man. It's like, it's basically like the introduction at this point. 5 people. 3 people. Bro, I swear, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. Fingers crossed, making dua to Allah. Hold up, watch this. I'm gonna try to join the court hearing myself. I think it's gonna be way better if I join the court hearing myself. So hold up, stay in stream, guys. I'm gonna join the court hearing right now. Let's go join the court hearing, bro. Screw this. Even if I'm gonna get sued, worth the shot, you know. Who cares, bro? I'm gonna go for it. Let's do this. Hold up. Maximum. Okay, I see how it is. Mute your mic. Wait, if I mute my mic, you guys could hear? Hold up, I'm gonna try to do that. I'm gonna join the core hearing first. It keeps saying maximum, so 161.529. Okay. I'm gonna join first. Hold up, let me join. 161. Oh, hold up, what was it? 161.529. Yeah, it's this. Yo, if you're new in the stream, like and subscribe. I'm joining the core hearing right now. Meaning passcode 526. 526. Copy paste it. I don't think I can copy paste the tweet. 718. Bro, I should be able to join right now here. Yo, sorry if there's. It's full. Yeah, it's full, man. This pisses me off. I was literally in it 1 minute ago, bro. Like, oh my god. Launch meeting. Okay, I'm gonna join this one way or another. I don't really care, bro. Bro, okay. I got a solution right here. Watch and learn. Bro, because this other YouTuber streaming it, so might as well. Bro, okay. So this is basically the core hearing right here. Hold up. Basically just talking about the introduction at this point. They're not talking about anything big. Hi, yo, what's up, Sherry? Let's go. Hey, what's up, bro? They're not really saying anything, man. Hi, bro, what's up, Astra? What's code? Bro, even if you try to join, you can't join, bro. It's full. It's like 100. It's full, you guys can't. So they're just basically just talking nothing. They're just talking like what's the problem and stuff. Yo, what's up, Sake? We're still waiting like for some action to do. They're just talking about nothing, man. So as you guys see, like like judge is right there. His name is Thomas Hickson. He's like the top guy. I know, right, bro? Hold up. I'm gonna try to like hear this and then like tell you guys. Hold up. They're just talking about Microsoft and Nintendo, and they're basically saying like Fortnite Mobile is basically like Nintendo and stuff. It's like a huge like debate and stuff. Okay, I'm really sad you guys can't hear it, but I'm gonna like if you guys hear it, then there's gonna be a big problem. I might get sued and stuff. So just like hold up. They're basically talking about Sony and Nintendo and stuff. It's like they're not even talking about Fortnite Mobile yet. So we're basically just waiting for some action to happen. If we win, does FN come back today? It doesn't come back today, but like within this week and stuff. If we win, like if the Epic wins. Bro, in your country, it's night or morning, PM or AM. It's night for me. Okay, I'm gonna try to like listen to the core hearing and then tell you guys. Cause if I stream the audio, I might get like sued and stuff. So I'm not trying to like risk it. Is it coming out? Yeah, bro. Like if Epic wins like this core hearing, they're definitely gonna like come out. Fortnite Mobile will come back. Hi, yo, what's up, Alexandra? Epic, yeah, bro. Is Fortnite coming back, bro? Like the core hearing just started, so we're just waiting at this point. Whew, bro. Really hope it comes back. If Epic wins this core hearing, it's definitely coming back, bro. I just hope Epic wins this core hearing. And like the stream if you're new. I'm eating and listening. I swear, I love when I'm eating and listening. It's like the best thing and stuff. For some reason, my internet is not that good. Okay, bro. Oh my god, the audio's so good. Hold up. I think you guys could hear. Okay, hold up. Wait, can you guys hear right now? Wait.
I've actually been gratified that we are focused on Epic and not asking for a broader inquiry, which arguably we could have asked for as well.
We can't hear the core hearing. I can't. Yes. How do you use it? Yes. So you guys can't hear.
Okay.
Now I can hear. Go. Let's go, bro. Okay.
And Your Honor, just so I can round this out, I mean, ultimately, we're talking, we need to show platform competition. And we can't do that without going to the platforms to show the degree to which, games, apps, Epic, however you want to slice it, is distributed very vigorously on these other platforms. And in many cases, at least with respect to Fortnite, much more so than they
between themselves that looks like it might be sui generis.
Can you hear now? I'm pretty sure you guys can hear now.
And again, Your Honor, from our perspective, this first lawsuit is Epic v. Apple. And there is no question that our position is the market should be narrowly drawn around Epic and Epic's ability to distribute on other platforms. It is a contested issue, but that is certainly our position. Now, we did deal with Samsung more broadly to deal with the class cases, and we had a previous subpoena that we had some litigation on that you ruled on. This is a second question that relates to Epic, and in particular, Epic is complaining. Epic is an individual.
It's my channel, kid. Of course I'm not target. It's my channel. It's my YouTube, nigga. I'll talk if I want to.
Specifically was foreclosed. And we do want to show that Epic specifically, even to the because we're entitled to know how Epic is able to do elsewhere, that even regardless of Apple's conduct, Apple.
Oh my god, okay. Yeah, I know you go.
I would argue, you're absolutely right. The average app developer does not have that opportunity. And if this was a class case,
I sound dumb. Maybe I sound dumb.
Wait a minute, this is not a class action of app developers. Why do you care about?
People who know me know I'm 15, so I'm not gonna count
We
me.
have some merit.
If I talk to you on Discord, you know I'm 15.
This is an individual plaintiff saying, you Apple foreclosed us from getting our product out there. We are showing that they have plenty of other options, and they actually have some preferable options. I don't want to get into the details of that, their arrangement with Samsung. I'm being mindful of that, but we're absolutely entitled to know that. We're absolutely entitled to show that to Judge Gonzalez-Rogers in explaining why what Apple did not foreclose any market, and that Apple alone is not a market for it.
But the claim, this isn't a business tort claim. Epic's not saying Apple.
Oh my god, bro. There you go. Damn, man. I just did the biggest mistake in my life. Bruh. Hold up, I should just breathe in, breathe out. Oh
Well,
my
you
God.
torted
Sorry.
us. They're saying you monopolized a market. To prove that,
So basically
it's
what
not an- I
happened
mean,
while I was gone. Nothing happened, guys.
just whatever happened to
Nothing
Epic is
happened.
just
We
would
were
never
waiting for something
be
to happen.
sufficient
We
to
were just
prove
arguing
an
at the time.
antitrust
The
claim.
attorney
Well,
and
Your Honor,
the
as you know, the definition of the market definition, what's a substitute is hotly litigated in virtually every antitrust case. And they hold their Fortnite out as to be this unique cross-platform alternative universe that is not a substitute for any other game, that is a unique product of its own. So at least we're entitled to make that argument that the market is specific to Epic's ability to distribute its Fortnite wherever. And that is our version of the market, which is their ability to distribute their product. And we believe that it's a wide and expansive market. And again, maybe the fallback is we're talking just about game developers, but we also would not agree at all that Epic, in bringing an antitrust claim against Apple, somehow represents all app developers. And a way to illustrate that would be to say, if you look at an app that's a calculator app, for instance, on your phone, that's not a substitute for Fortnite. And so we know that at a minimum, it's not going to be that expansive of a market. And the question is, how narrowly is it drawn? Is it just game developers, or is it just Epic? And it's a contested issue. But, as the defendant in this case, we should be allowed to defend the position of the relevant market that we're advancing. And this is the way that we believe we need to do it. And again, in an ideal world, maybe we ask for all game developers information from these third parties, but we thought that we would, burden them less.
So Apple's taking the view, at least with respect to the relevance of this discovery, that the relevant market is either Fortnite or Epic.
That's our view in the litigation. That's what we argued in the PI, and Judge Gonzalez-Rogers indicated she didn't know enough yet. The facts were still contested. I believe the language I just read. She said, "Look, I don't have it in front of me, so I can't quote it." But she said, actually, I have it. That this theory hasn't been sufficiently tested. And so she needs more information, and that's why we're having discovery. We need to be able to test our view that the relevant market is limited to Epic's distribution of the game, Fortnite, or perhaps a little bit broader than that. But that's our view, and we should be entitled to get discovery into that.
2 likes or 21. This one we're
Alrighty.
It's unfair, yeah, bro. I swear, Epic.
Let me hear from
so dumb.
Samsung,
You should
please.
just put direct payment back and.
Good morning, Your Honor. Victoria Maroulas for.
Y'all some bitch niggas for riding Epic Games.
In his answers to Your Honor, counsel addressed the
After
relevance,
Epic wins, they would
or
send
what
a big
Apple
Fortnite
argues is the
picture, and
relevance
yeah,
of
I know how
request
Epic
number
can win.
5.
If they win
However,
the judge
for a
here,
third
like,
party,
I think
that's
the
not
judge
the
decides.
standard. As Your Honor
Ayo,
both
people,
held
can
in
you
an
see this
October
chat?
order of this court
I
and
mean, like,
opened
I
up
can.
today, the standard is really
Yo, if you're
substantial
new to the
need.
stream, like, I
And
want
just
22
like
likes, please.
last time, the court found that Apple did not meet the substantial need standard to get highly confidential,
I see the
internal,
fan wall.
purely
Okay, should I turn it
internal
off?
competitive
But I
documents
won't
of
be
a
able to
third
read. Okay, I'm
party.
gonna turn off.
The same is true
39 people
here,
watching.
even
Oh
though
my
we
God.
only
If you're new
have
to the
one
channel, like and subscribe.
RFP before us
Yeah, I
and it's
hope you
focused
enjoyed
on
this. I'm
Epic.
risking that channel.
So the inquiry about
I'm gonna
substantial
send it.
need is
Okay,
Apple
just listen to
able
recording.
to
I'm gonna
get the
stay quiet now.
information it thinks is relevant somewhere else? And if Your Honor looks at RFP 5 and its 7 subparts, on the face of this RFP, it's pretty clear that everything Apple it says it needs regarding Epic's ability to distribute their products and Epic's behavior in the marketplace and Epic's interactions with
Yo, thank you for the like.
any
That one
Samsung
guy.
entity is something that they can get
So
and
make sure
have
you
been
like the
getting
stream
from
so
Epic.
more people
It is
can
our
watch.
understanding
And
that
if you're new
Epic
to
has
this
produced
channel,
at
make sure you
least
subscribe. 40 people
20,000
watching. Oh my God,
documents
yo. If you're new to this stream,
addressing
like and
its
subscribe.
discussions
This is my
with
first time
Samsung,
streaming. I mean,
its
like, second time
interactions
streaming.
with Samsung,
So I'm new to this
Korea,
stream. Okay,
and
so let's just,
any
like,
governing
be quiet and,
agreements
like,
that govern
listen
the
to the recording.
relationship. That can translate to
If you're new
anywhere
to
from
this
30,000
stream, like and
pages to
subscribe.
hundreds of
Make sure you're
thousands of
like
pages.
so close to
The
25
point
likes.
here is that Apple has what it says it needs regarding what Epic does in the marketplace,
You
how
guys can
Epic
hear her, right?
interacts
She's
with
saying a lot of
Samsung,
facts right here.
what Epic thinks about it, what Epic and Samsung, Korea may be saying to each other. The only thing Apple
guys can
cannot
hear her, I'm
get
pretty sure.
from
2
Epic
more likes
directly
for
is
25 likes. Please
internal,
like, guys.
highly
There's 2 more people
confidential,
like
strategic,
you right
competitive
now. Pause the video,
documents
go down and
of
like
Samsung Electronics
45
America
people
to the
watching.
extent
Oh
they
my God,
exist
yo.
on this
If you're new
point.
to the stream, like
And that
subscribe,
is the
please.
same set of information that Your
Okay, I'm
Honor
gonna be
already
quiet now
found
because you guys should hear
not
this.
to be
So
subject to
basically, they're
production. Your
saying
Honor
that
quashed
Epic
several
is
requests
like
last
saying
time
everything
in
correctly,
Apple's
and Apple has
subpoena
already money, so
that
might as well
sought
let Epic win. She's
purely
just saying some
internal,
facts.
highly confidential.
Hold on, like,
Guys, I'm not taking no sides, but I just want to know which side y'all taking.
Example, in
Yo, one
eBay
more guy
case, there
like,
was a
please,
finding
one more guy
that
like,
a competitor's subjective thoughts
here's the
about the
thing.
marketplace are
Sorry.
not relevant to the definition of the market. But respectfully, Your Honor, we don't need to go deeply into Apple's relevance arguments. Whatever they say the market is, whatever Epic says the market is, that fight is between the parties. That fight is not between Apple and non-party.
Honestly, I'm taking no sides.
A handful of highly
Yeah, y'all let me know which side you're taking. Also, can we get 300 likes on the stream? Like, I'm gonna mute myself.
a third party, and they have not
But if you don't mind,
that was submitted to Your Honor, nor in counsel's arguments. What may be relevant is not sufficient. What Apple may like to have is not sufficient. The only thing that would allow Apple any access to these documents is the solid proof demonstration of substantial need, and they cannot meet this need. And they have plenty of information from Epic, and we understand more is forthcoming, responsive to RFP 5. Samsung Electronics America is a non-party. It's not even a non-party that has the agreement between Epic and another Samsung entity. So this discovery is burdensome and inappropriate because it does not meet that very high standard of
Yo, you
substantial
guys heard
need.
what she said. She just said a lot of
All
facts
right,
right
thank
there,
you.
bro.
Let me then turn this back to Apple.
Listen to this.
As I understand your motion, you're asking for documents and information that Epic doesn't have.
Judge.
And if Epic's not even aware of something, if they don't know about something, why do you need it?
Yeah, I will hit that right on, Your Honor. I just did want to note one thing that I couldn't find before, but it's on page 18 also of Judge Gonzalez Rogers' order that there's a direct reference to the Samsung Galaxy store as being a relevant market player. I just wanted to mention that. But as to your question about why we need it, we actually studied your order last time very carefully, and we took your position, and that we are not interested and we're not allowed to obtain evidence about a party's subjective views on the market or its opinions, and that was in your order in the prior Samsung dispute, and we took that to heart. We are not interested in Samsung's subjective views on anything. What we are interested in, and we narrowly drew the subpoena to understand the facts of Samsung's experience distributing Epic, Fortnite and other Epic apps on its Galaxy store, which again, I don't want to get into highly confidential information, but there are aspects of that relationship and that distribution arrangement that are unique and are very interesting in our view. And I'm, we can go into a closed session. I'm happy to elaborate on that. However, we are not.
We don't need to. I'm willing to take at face value that there's probably something unique here, and I don't need to know all the details to know that there's probably something relevant here. My question is more, if Epic doesn't even know about something, then why is that relevant?
Yeah, it's not so much what Epic knows or what Apple knows, Your Honor. It's Samsung's experience distributing Epic on its platform, on its Galaxy store. How successful have they been? What tweaking the relationship? How has that changed their ability to distribute more or less of Epic? How has the fact that Apple and Google Play have now discontinued or disabled Epic, Fortnite in particular, from their distribution options, has that caused more people to go to Samsung on the Galaxy store?
Wouldn't Epic know that though?
No, I don't know that they would, Your Honor. And I don't know that Samsung would share all of its own experience of the benefits of the positions they've taken. I don't know that they would tell their partner all of that. There's another very important piece of this, Your Honor, which Epic would not know necessarily at all, which is Samsung's own rules and regulations around how Epic is allowed to distribute on their platform. Epic has contended that what Apple is doing, excuse me, Your Honor, that what Apple is doing with respect to limiting the ability that they can't have their own app store in an app store. Sorry, Your Honor.
I hate Apple.
There we go. That they can't have their own app store within an app store, that the commission that Apple charges is improper, that they have to do the payment processing through Apple is improper. These are all things that, we would like to explore. And again, I'm trying to skirt as much as I can here, that Epic faces the exact same restrictions or very similar restrictions on other platforms. And to the extent that they are contending that when Apple is doing it, it's anti-competitive. The fact that everybody else is doing it, is relevant to for X reason. We do this for Y reason. We restrict our folks in the same way. They're not necessarily going to share that with Epic, but they certainly may be talking about the virtues of what they're doing, which absolutely is internal. We can't get it anywhere else. And it is vital for us defending Apple's conduct, particularly when other platform vendors are doing the same thing. And that's not something they're going to share with it necessarily, and very unlikely that they would explain the reasons for why they set up the rules the way they do. And again, we contend that's very similar to what Apple does. We can't get that from Epic. We are seeking the same information from other platforms. And again, we need it to defend against our business justifications or pro-competitive reasons for why we do what we do, and ultimately to defend Apple's conduct on this.
I'm gonna just stop talking now.
All right.
Your Honor, may I address briefly?
Sure, please.
Your Honor, it appears that what Apple seeks is not facts about the relationship between Epic and Samsung Electronics America, but how Samsung Electronics America feels about the relationship. Respectfully, that is not relevant to either definition of the market or any other part of the case. council tends to conflate Samsung Korea, that has the relevant agreement with Samsung Electronics America, and that's an important distinction. But regardless, Your Honor has before you several documents filed under seal in this case, and Exhibit 5 to the joint letter shows the agreement and shows the different duties and responsibilities of the parties and shows the arrangement. That is what Apple appears to say they need. They need to understand how the arrangement is, what are the peculiarities of the arrangements, what responsibilities each party has. Plainly, it's in these documents and other Samsung to Epic and Epic to Samsung documents that Epic is already producing. There is nothing that Apple can learn from unique, very highly confidential Samsung Electronic America documents because they are not relevant to the actual facts of the parties' behavior, but subjective opinions about them. And further, Your Honor, I hesitate to walk the court through all 7 subparts of RFP 5, but if the court looks at it at some later point, most of them don't address what counsel talked at length right now. They talk about specific interactions between Epic and Samsung Electronics America. And these specific interactions, whether it's technical support, co-marketing efforts, campaigns and initiatives, all of that would already be in the documents produced and being produced at Epic because they involve by definition both parties. Co-marketing, joint initiatives, support given by Samsung to Epic and so forth.
3 more
Okay,
people
thank
like
you.
and there's only 40 likes. It's insane.
Just take a note here.
Yo, you didn't miss anything. Like they were just basically arguing about the 30% thing, but we're still like halfway through.
I'll give Epic an opportunity to speak if you want to. You don't need to. This is a dispute between Apple and Samsung, but everybody's talking about you. So as long as you're here, if there's anything you want to say, go ahead.
Thank you, Your Honor. I think with respect to the dispute, no, other than to say, obviously, we have a much different view of what the relevant markets are here. And so certainly to the extent the court has any questions, we're happy to address that. But Samsung's counsel is clearly correct. We ran search terms. We were producing a lot of documents about the relationship. So the extent that there's any question about that, Apple is getting a number of documents from us about Samsung.
Yeah, because they're still
Okay,
arguing.
all right, thank you. Well, thank you, counsel. I have what I need. I'll take it under submission.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor. May we sign off?
Yo, one more
Yep,
guy, please.
we're all set. We don't need Samsung any further at this hearing.
Thank you, Your Honor, and the court staff.
Thank you, everyone. We're off the record. Court is in
One
recess.
guy likes to stream. I shut the heck up. Bro.
But we're continuing with the other cases.
Okay, hold on, Judge. Oh, I thought you were done completely. Okay, go ahead. It's still recording.
Okay, good. No such luck. We're still continuing.
Judge, we will have to take a break for the court reporter when she needs it. So,
Okay. Ms. Knox, how long until we should take a break?
If we're past 11:30, maybe.
Oh, okay. I think we'll be fine.
Okay.
thanks, Judge.
Okay. So now we have the Apex issues, and with respect to Mr. Cook's deposition,
You heard that, Tim Cook?
the dispute has become narrowed by the parties' efforts to compromise. So it's somewhere between 4 hours and 8 hours, and there isn't a principle of law that's going to answer that question. It's more just a practical inquiry. I guess my tentative ruling is that this isn't a traditional Apex inquiry where the case is about some historical decision and we're trying to figure out who made it or how involved they were. These are about, in large part, about the relationships between different types of markets and how much competition in some markets constrains competition in other markets. And it looks like that implicates Apple's business model, or at least large parts of Apple's business model. And I would think that we would want to hear from the CEO about these different issues. So my thought is that 7 hours of record time, that would be an appropriate length for his deposition. But I guess I'll have Apple respond to that.
Yeah, thank you, Your Honor. So on Mr. Cook, Your Honor,
Three more people like, and I'll shut up. Three more people like.
We think that this case, while it does implicate Apple's business model, many cases that are brought against Apple implicate the company broadly. When the way we have these cases about Apple's battery, or we have a case about some other aspect of Apple's ecosystem, which are many. And so we think that there is a dangerous precedent when on the theory that this implicates Apple's business model, its CEO is subject to a 7-hour deposition. This is a massive company with lots of litigation, and it creates, we believe, a very bad precedent if that's all it takes for somebody to say, we get Tim Cook for 7 hours. I note parenthetically, there's a related case, Pistachio, that's related to Apple Arcade, another part of the App Store. Those plaintiffs have put Mr. Cook now on their initial disclosures list, and undoubtedly they will say, we need Mr. Cook for 7 hours. And so we think that the court really should, particularly with somebody like Mr. Cook, who is really about, as apex as it gets, that we should rigorously apply that standard. And the real standard there is unique knowledge. Not does Mr. Cook know about Apple's business model, not only that maybe he has the largest voice in that business model, but whether on the specific issue here of the App Store, whether he has anything unique to provide. And what we're saying is Mr. Schiller, who is, among the closest inner circle of Apple's top executives. We're not talking about somebody mid-level. This is somebody who's mentioned in the same name often with Mr. Cook and Mr. Jobs before that, who we are providing, who is the person who leads the specific part of the Apple ecosystem that is the focus of this lawsuit. And that's the App Store. They're going to get Mr. Schiller for a long time. They're getting a number of other high-level executives, and I guess this gets into Mr. Whether Mr. Federighi and Cook are going to be ordered, because if that's also the case, then there are further people. You have the CTO, you have another high-level executive in Mr. Q. The real question starts to become, what does Mr. Cook offer that's unique? And if you look at brief, Your Honor, really the only thing they say that's unique about him is that he gave some testimony to Congress as the CEO, which of course happens all the time with companies, and that's not a basis to bring somebody in for an apex deposition, because in fact, from him on what he knows, which was a very high level summary of what Apple does with the App Store that's basically mostly public anyway. He didn't provide any insights on the thinking behind policy. Those are people like Mr. Schiller. And so we are worried, Your Honor, that the thin thread on which they are bringing in Mr. Cook, just because they have a very grandiose set of claims, is a concern. And we, by the way, thought a very appropriate balance is 4 hours. 4 hours is plenty of time to ask him about his congressional testimony. The other thing they cited is that he gets customer complaints or developer complaints. And they gave you examples, which I'm glad they did, because it illustrates what happens. Like a lot of companies, he receives them, he reads them, and he passes them on to people like
for the donut, bro. Finally, I'm about to make it out the jams. I'm about to make out the trenches.
Who are the original architects of this. So we didn't want to take an unreasonable position and say, we're not giving you Mr. Cook at all. We do understand that it's a significant case on some level. And so the compromise we reached is 4 hours, which, Your Honor, is, as you know, with depositions, essentially is a day for him. It's taking him out of commission for a day, which is already a significant amount of time. 7 hours on the record extends to 10 hours of the day, potentially, much longer prep. It's a much bigger imposition. We thought we took a reasonable approach. People say in their brief that 4 hours is not enough time to cover the things that subject. There's no reason to believe that Mr. Cook has any unique knowledge about switching costs or any number of other people at the company that deal with that they could depose for that. And then they say, oh, he must know about the competitive landscape. He's the CEO of Apple. Well, of course, that's true for every CEO. They know about their business. That, again, is not the standard. It is unique firsthand relevance. And I would note that in the Corellian case that we cited in the context of the Q and Federighi dispute, Mr. Federighi of Apple was at a time ordered to sit for a deposition of 4 hours, but it was only after he had been involved in meetings that he was in that were.
Hold up, guys. If you don't understand what's happening right now, is that like no one's winning yet since like we're still midway through. And in this court hearing, if Epic wins, then Fortnite Mobile is definitely coming back. If they lose, then it won't be coming back like this week though. So I'm gonna like put it back.
About an order that puts Mr. Cook up for deposition in any case that alleges that Apple's business model is at stake. We think the App Store is at stake, and we have the person for the App Store available for them to depose.
All right, thank you. Let me hear from the plaintiffs.
Thank you, Your Honor. And
Hold up, guys. Sorry for talking about. Look, this is basically what's happening. Like, they're basically arguing about Tim Cook, because Tim Cook will have like 4 hours to come in and talk. But they're saying like it should be 7 hours, not 4 hours, because Tim Cook will have a time to talk and like say everything what he wants. Okay, so I'm gonna like put this back. Sorry.
And in fact, that is why, in particular, we do need Mr. Cook and we do need Mr. Federighi, because they're not simply App Store people. They are implicating the highest strategic level decision making on how to structure Apple's business model, what changes to make, what decisions to make. It is not just about Mr. Schiller. I get that he's their favorite witness. He's going to be their 30B6 witness. He's going to be their trial witness. We get to depose people who we think have relevant information, and it's not just unique. We don't have to prove that Mr. Cook will not say anything that overlaps with anyone else. But Mr. Cook has spoken publicly about switching costs. He has knowledge of switching costs. He has knowledge of why the model commission structure was selected and why it's maintained. I really don't want to dwell on this too much, Your Honor, other than to say Apple offered 6, tethered to a whole bunch of other agreements. We couldn't agree. We narrowed down from 10 to 8. Your Honor, 7 hours we will make do with, or at least I'm speaking on behalf of Epic. If that's where we're ending up, I don't think you need to hear anything else from me on this. But 4 hours is just not enough. We have to divide this up. We understand he's a busy man. This is not a harassment case like all the cases Apple cited. That is not what we
do, and who are the original architects of this. So we didn't want to take an unreasonable position and say, we're not giving you Mr. Cook at all. We do.
will do so in 7 hours.
All right. Do the class plaintiffs want to weigh in? If you've divided up oral argument among yourselves, then you don't have to, but I just want to give you the opportunity.
Just very little to say in addition, Your Honor. Class plaintiffs also, at least the developers, could live with 7 hours, and we'll do our best, obviously, to split as efficiently as possible with Epic and with the consumers. Again, we just want to underscore what Ms. Moskowitz said. These are 3 separate major cases. In and of themselves, each would be a major case. And again, 4 hours is simply too little. I think the court's landing on 7 hours is something that's fair to all concerned. So this isn't just a run-of-the-mill case. I don't know about this pistachio case. Again, that seems to be centered just on one aspect of Apple's business. So I don't know that that's a very good concern for Mr. Srinivasan to be raising. And again, in addition to the cases of Penny, including live testimony, and those issues are obviously very important, not only for these cases, but to the country at large, which is grappling with the power of these large platforms. So again, I think probably 7 hours, as the court has indicated, is a good compromise. We wish that we could have more time, and we think we're entitled to 10 hours under the coordination order. But we understand the concerns that the court has raised and that Apple has raised, and so I think with that, I'll close.
All right. Ms. Bird, anything the consumer plaintiffs want to add?
On behalf of consumers, we also believe that 7 hours is a good compromise, that we should be able to get what we need, the questioning that we need to take within that time period. And Apple's concerns about precedent should be alleviated by noting that there are three very big and important cases that have been coordinated here.
Alrighty.
If I may respond, I don't want to, just a few points. One, you heard Mr. Lopez say at the end that not only is Mr. Cook relevant to the cases here, but that he could speak to important issues that are important to the country at large. That's exactly our concern. This is not an opportunity for plaintiffs to start asking him questions about issues that are hours. In fact, you heard Ms. Moskowitz say that we were working on a deal to negotiate 6 hours. And we would just respectfully say then, Your Honor, the plaintiffs had said, if you give us more time with other people, then maybe we can live with 6 hours for Mr. Cook. They know they don't need more than 6 hours with Mr. Cook. More than 6 hours with Mr. Cook will only lead to the type of mischief that we are concerned about, that Mr. Lopez, sort of previewed. And that's exactly why we are very focused on this. So at a minimum, Your Honor, if you're inclined to go forward and give them more than 4 hours, we would respectfully suggest that it at least be limited to 6, a number that the plaintiffs were willing to at least negotiate at one point.
Well, that was the deal that didn't work out. So if the parties make deals, then you get the benefit of those deals. And if the deal doesn't come together, then it's all sort of left on the floor and the court's going to resolve the dispute. But okay, I think I have what I need for Cook's deposition. Now we come to Q and Federici. And I guess one question I have for Apple is how many SVPs does Apple have? Come together, then it's all sort of left on the floor and the court's going to resolve the dispute. But okay, I think I have what I need for Cook's deposition. Now we come to Q and Federici. And I guess one question I have for Apple is how many SVPs does Apple have?
Even Reed is streaming the.
If you look at the Apple leadership page, I think there's something like 16 people listed on the entire page for the company worldwide. And that includes a bunch of people from foreign.
Sorry guys, sorry. I'm so sorry guys. Who is 13 here? What happened? Yo guys, nothing really happened. Like they're just arguing about Cook right now.
And so these are truly apex people, and plaintiffs are also now getting a full day with Mr. Cook. What in a typical case would be a 7-hour deposition would be a full day with Mr. Cook, and of course Mr. Schiller as well. And so we think this is now getting very excessive.
Bro, see you, man.
Okay. Alrighty. And let me hear from the plaintiffs.
At 10. Oh, hold on.
Thank you, Your Honor. I think Your Honor's remarks in the beginning apply equally to Mr. Q and Mr. Federici. This is not a case where we're just trying to get high-level executive depositions to talk about policies and procedures, or the same thing you can get out of an interrogatory or a 30B6. We don't want the company line from these guys. We want to understand what is going on in the space in between the policies and procedures. There are discretionary decisions that are happening about App Store issues, about developers, about exceptions, about policy changes and where the company is going to go in the future with respect to the App Store for Mr. Q. Mr. Schiller is another one of those decision makers, but he's not the only one. Some decisions go to Mr. Q, some go to Mr. Schiller. Sometimes they disagree. Mr. Schiller is in the room where it happens in some meetings, and Mr. Q is in the room where it happens in others. And Mr. Q is a central person regarding even Apple's view of how narrow this case is supposed to be when it was making its argument just now about the App Store. Mr. Q is one of the two people that Apple's own witnesses have said has veto power over decisions. He is consulted and deciding on critical issues of how to enforce or not enforce their stated policies and procedures, their stated guidelines. So it's not about harassment. This person is very relevant. Apple themselves put him on their initial disclosures. We're not pulling him out of thin air. There were a lot of other people that we contemplated getting documents from and deposing. We've narrowed it down. Mr. Q is highly relevant for all of the same reasons Mr. Schiller is. They don't get to pick which of the two they want us to talk to. And certainly we have issues with Mr. Schiller's deposition and the timing of that I will want to raise if Your Honor will be willing to hear us out after this. But we're not willing to just go with who Apple wants us to talk to on these key issues. With respect to Mr. Federighi, it's a completely separate question. Mr. Federighi isn't at the App Store level, and that's precisely why we want him. Apple is making a lot of arguments. Their entire pro-competitive justification, or at least a large part of it, is about security and why they have to have security. Their position is that they want that at the App Store level, and that's where it's happening. We don't think that's right. We don't buy the party line that they're giving us in their interrogatory answers on that. We want to talk to the person who is developing the tools, developing the security features at the operating system level so that we can actually test and poke the holes that we think are there on Apple's, what we believe, pretextual argument for why it is controlling the App Store distribution. So Mr. Federighi, we've talked about this on the custodian stage. He is clearly relevant to these issues, and we get to talk to him, in our view, about what his documents are and what these issues are. No one else, not Mr. Schiller and not Mr. Cook, can talk about the technical and engineering aspects of security and the tools that Apple's providing, why they're developing them, how they invest in them, why they invest in them. And that is happening at Mr. Federighi's level, not just for iOS, but also for Mac OS. And Mac OS is another area that we're going to want to test in this case, because it's Apple's own operating system that it has developed in a completely different way, in an open way, and whether and to what extent the security features can happen at an operating system level, we are going to want to test that with Apple's own platform, Mac OS, and Mr. Federighi has absolute personal knowledge over that system, choices that are made, and distinctions between Mac OS and iOS. So we think he's absolutely fundamentally relevant, not substitutable, as is Mr. Q. So we have tailored our request here. We didn't ask for all 10 of those SVPs, or however many 17 people are on Apple's webpage. We went to the people we think we need. We asked for their documents. We got them. Mr. Q's documents were already part of this case. Apple always had him as a custodian. And we got Mr. Federighi's. We need to talk to them about these key issues, about issues that are fundamental to all three of our cases to implement the business model. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Did the class plaintiffs want to add anything?
Yo, guys.
Yes, Your Honor, sorry about that. I couldn't get unmuted. Well, first of all, I'm not sure exactly what questions the court's going to have, but to the extent the court is interested in Apple's exhaustion argument, Apple makes a broad statement at page 8 of the letter brief that somehow all of us agreed to an expedited schedule. And of course, that's not true with respect to the class plaintiffs. So I wanted to point out that distinction as well. But again, to underscore what Ms. Moskowitz said in one particular sense, the plaintiffs, I think, made a fulsome record here with regard to the particular issues that we want to get into these folks. It's definitely not about any kind of stunt or anything beyond these cases. These are all grounded in the important issues that these issues raise specifically. And that's the same for Mr. Cook, frankly. Again, when I raised Mr. Cook's testimony to Congress, I'm not talking about it in some general sense. I mean, Mr. Cook specifically testified with regard to the commission rates and with regard to what he thinks, and therefore what Apple thinks justifies those rates. So these are all grounded in very specific issues that I think all the plaintiffs should go into and must go into in their cases.
All right, thank you. Ms. Bird, anything further from the consumer plaintiffs?
No, Your Honor, I don't have anything to add.
All right, Mr. Srinivasan, some reply from Apple.
Sure, Your Honor. In listening to Ms. Moskowitz's justification for Mr. Q and Federighi really strikes me as we're damned if we do and we're damned if we don't. I mean, she wants it both ways. On the one hand, Mr. Q is relevant and is absolutely necessary and critical because he overlaps with so many other people, including Mr. Schiller.
Hold up, sorry guys. If you can't hear me, I'm sorry, since I want you guys to hear the court, so I might not be talking a bunch. If I do talk, it's gonna be historical, low and stuff. Okay, I'm gonna be back to this stream.
And therefore, he has to, of course, be deposed. And the issue really, I think, is sharpened when you think about it in the context of Mr. Federighi, and I'll come back to Mr. Q. But as there's no dispute, Mr. Federighi sits at the top of software engineering for Apple. That is a large mountain that he sits at the top of. There are many, many executives and of course other employees below him. We had offered one to them. We said, Mr. Neuenschwander is the person who can speak to these issues, who is not an Apex executive, who doesn't need to be bothered. Now, in the context of documents, Your Honor, you said to us, and we agreed, you ultimately said, look, I know you would rather produce Neuenschwander's documents. They want Federighi. Why does it matter? They're poking, they're going down the wrong hole. Let them get Federighi's documents, and even though you've offered to give them a better custodian, that's on them. It doesn't matter. This is not Apex. Well, now we're at Apex. And at Apex, the rule is, if we say there is somebody less burdensome that you should take on the very same issues that you want, they have to do that. They haven't even tried. And in fact, as Ms. Moskowitz says, there's a whole different operation that Mr. Federighi is in charge of. He's not the App Store. And he is the Apex executive of that operation. That is not the key piece of the case of the company that's at issue in this case. How in the world do you get to go to the top executive first? And particularly where we say there's another executive. Mr. Neuenschwander is a senior executive himself. He's not at the top of the operation. We said, take his deposition. You want to talk about these issues? He can talk about those issues. They have 15 other depositions they can take. They didn't take a single person. They didn't ask for a single person. They insisted on the number one guy in the organization who leads a 1,000-person division. And that's the problem with Mr. Federighi. And we can go into more details that we briefed. Now with Mr. Q, it's similar. With Mr. Q, he is also at the top of a different organization now, Apple Music and iTunes. It's right there on the website. And actually a bunch of other things, Apple search ads and a number of other initiatives that Apple has.
Okay, guys. If you guys don't know what's happening right now, they're just talking about Tim Federini, like not Tim Cook, Federini, because Federini is with Apple, I'm pretty sure. So they're basically talking about him and stuff. And if you guys are new to the stream, please like. We're so close to 60 likes, and subscribe. Alright, let's get right back to the live stream.
Give Epic and the plaintiffs as many different views on the App Store as their hearts could desire. It's not one person. We're not putting forward one Mr. Schiller who is going to be the spokesperson and give the party line. They have literally a dozen other people, almost all of whom are executives, many of whom are high-level executives, who they can ask these questions to. Nothing they showed about Mr. Q is unique to Mr. Q. There's no aspect of any document, Your Honor, that they provided to you, or any deposition testimony they provided to you. Nothing is unique to Mr. Q. At a minimum, they should come back to you at some point.
Guys, if you guys think this is fake, you guys are just dumb, bro. This is fake. Like, it's not fake. Go to the Zoom link yourself if you think it's fake.
Or maybe Mr. Cook. Nothing that said this is just Mr. Q. And they can take some more depositions, and they're going to find the same thing. But the fact is, this isn't just sort of open season on Apple. There has to be some constraints. We are already doing 16 depositions in this case of other high-level Apple executives. There has to be a limit to it. They haven't shown you any discipline in saying very specifically why these two folks are needed. Man. And in the case of Mr. Federer.
Yo, what's up, Wavy? I am. Since I can't stream it because it's full.
On the very issues that they see.
All right. Are you still bound by the prior deadline you had to complete depositions in the Epic case?
We are, Your Honor. February 15th is the day that is the cutoff date. We believe, it's an interesting case where I think in most antitrust cases, most complex cases, where you have a typical discovery period of 9 months to a year, parties at the end say, we're going to have to let a few depositions go over, whether they formally get an extension or not. It's something that's typically worked out. That's been our experience. Okay. In this case, Epic is unwilling in a compressed discovery schedule. We're trying to do all of this in just a few weeks. We think it's absolutely necessary to do that. And frankly, we can get into those issues later, Your Honor. We don't think it's physically possible. There are days that we have 10 depositions likely scheduled in this case with third parties on one day. So forget about triple tracking. It's 10. I don't know what is it, DESA tracking? I don't know if I've ever counted that high. But that's where we are, and we do believe that part of the way that this can be resolved is to extend that date a little bit, through direct court order or through the parties cooperating to do so. But at least Epic, I don't know where the class plaintiffs are in this. is absolutely unwilling to be flexible about this.
What I was leading up to is I would like to take a couple of days to digest the oral argument before I get out my order. So probably on Wednesday or Thursday we get it out. And I want to know, would that cost?
Guys, I just wanted to say, if you didn't know that Thomas Hickson is the judge, so he decides if Epic should come, Fortnite Mobile should come back or not. And if you're new to the stream, like and subscribe. Alright, let's go right back to the stream.
We're still trying to schedule document productions on both sides that are slower than they were anticipated to be. And so we have a lot of problems, Your Honor, meeting that date, but I don't think your order coming out a few days will be a problem for us.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
Let me just ask the plaintiff's your view. Would it be a problem if I took 2 to 3 days to get this order out?
Your Honor, Lauren Moskowitz, to address that specific question, no, but I have a lot of additional things to say if Your Honor would permit me.
I want to think about it, but I know that you're under tight deadlines, so at least in the Epic case, I don't want to cause any problems. Ms. Moskowitz, you have more on the agenda.
Thank you, Your Honor. Just a couple of points just in response to some of the things that Apple's counsel just said. We have been asking for depositions since before Christmas for the dates. Everyone's known our list.
We gave to
people besides Mr. Q and Mr. Federici not giving us dates, including some of the people who they say we should have deposed before pressing for Mr. Federici. We asked to depose them before we got here today. They refused to give us dates in that window. They pushed them. In fact, one of them we don't even have. And then they want us to depose someone who Your Honor specifically said is not the right custodian for us to have. It's an odd situation that Apple thinks that it's a benefit to them that they haven't allowed us to take any of these depositions as a way to stop us from taking Mr. Federici's deposition. That is not the standard. The other aspect of what Mr. Srinivasan said that's troubling is that they repeatedly complain about this schedule. They've complained to you multiple times. They've even complained to Judge Gonzalez-Rogers in a brief where they asked Judge Gonzalez-Rogers to move the schedule. The judge said no. In fact, reaffirmed everything about our schedule. We are headed towards a May 3rd trial. A lot of things are tethered off of that, including the fact discovery deadline, which is not in Epic. It's our deadline for opening expert reports. Nothing can slip. Everything is, you pull that thread and the thing falls apart. We need to keep it. And Apple is engaging in self-help by just dragging their feet and refusing to schedule depositions, give us answers to interrogatories, give us documents that they've been promising us, and then saying we can't get it done. That's not one of their options. We have to comply with the court schedule. So I do have a few issues. Topics, but they told us.
Let me preview something for you. I'm not going to rule and a further hearing if you would like me to do that.
Yes, Your Honor, thank you. I was just previewing the issues, but yes, I'm happy to order Apple to respond by this afternoon and for us to file the joint statement as soon as possible. And if Your Honor would like a hearing on that, to schedule that as soon as you have availability. And I can.
Your Honor, can I be heard on that?
Yes, please.
Yeah, because this is actually a little bit outrageous. So you continued the hearing from Friday today because you wanted to see some more documents, which made sense. There was no briefing schedule on Saturday morning at 1 a.m. This past 2 days ago. We received a brief from them to say, brief this by tomorrow. Okay, then we got another one on Sunday morning and said brief this by later today. That's what she's talking about the briefs that we've had for days. Okay, so that's not the way we do things. We have time to needlessly brief. We are happy to have a hearing on these issues, but we have to have a chance to do it in an orderly way. And let me just step back.
Hold up, guys. If you guys don't understand, so basically I'm streaming this from other streamers, so like he's putting this because he knows I'm streaming it. So yeah, don't subscribe to Wavy, subscribe to me, and like this video and subscribe to me.
More time, and I won't read you the quotes, but they said something like, we just want some target limited discovery on IAP, which is just a small piece of this case. That's what they said to her. And then she said, based on that, okay, then we'll give you Epic's abbreviated schedule. Well, their idea of limited targeted discovery has been 86 document requests, 9 more custodians, translates to 8 million documents more that Apple is reviewing. I don't believe that is the discovery that Judge Gonzalez-Rogers had in mind when she set this schedule. Now, Epic then, for its part, has kept the pedal to the metal on that. They've doubled down. So they said, we need 9 new custodians. You know what we said? We said, you know what? We can't do that by January 6th. That's the deadline. By the way, Ms. Moskowitz talks about the sacrosanct February 15th deadline. The deadline for document production was January 6th. And we very openly said to them, you are asking us to review millions of documents. We cannot produce those by January 6th. We can tell you right now we can't. But they made a deal. They made a decision. They said, you know what? We would rather have those documents. Produce them later. We said, you know what? It's going to be mid to late January, maybe even bleeding into February. That's what we told them from day one. They said, fine, we'll take it. Then they turn around and say, we want 16 depositions, and for every deponent, we want the documents 14 days before that deposition. Well, let's think about it. January 6th was a deadline for the original deadline that we said we couldn't meet. So at a minimum, they said, we don't want to take any depositions before January 20th. So now we're talking about taking 16 depositions of theirs, 14 depositions of ours. They want dozens of third-party depositions, all between basically January 20th and February 15th. We've been trying to be adults about it. We've said, look, one of two things have to happen. Either your outsized appetite for depositions and documents has to be renegotiated or downsized, or we need more time in the schedule. We physically can't do both. In every other case I've been in, that's something the parties do. In this case, where we need it more than any other case, given this compressed discovery, it's not happening. And instead, they are going to come in and they're going to insist that Apple produce millions of documents.
Yo, guys, like, there's still, like, not that much information. They're just basically just talking and debating. So, like, at the end, they're gonna say, like, everything and stuff. They're gonna, like, summarize it. Oh, yo, what's up, Girl Power? Yo, what's up, Owen?
Flexible on Zoom. We need to work on this. We need to figure out something, because I don't think, Your Honor, that you can order things to happen that aren't physically possible.
Well, we'll see. So here's the deal. Judge Gonzalez-Rogers sets the case schedule, and then I manage discovery within the boundaries that she sets. So that's all I can really do. So I hear the two sides' points of view on whether those deadlines should be extended. I'm happy to listen to whatever you say. There's simply nothing I can do about that. All I'm going to do is manage whatever is the appropriate amount of discovery to take place by the deadline. So I do think that with respect to party depositions, the parties should work that out, because I'm going to order those depositions to happen by February 15th, because that's the only thing I really can do. So I do think the parties should try to get those all scheduled. But if you can't, then I'm happy to have a hearing. And I don't think either of you is going to like that hearing, because I'm just going to pick dates on a calendar and order depositions to happen on certain dates, and they may not be what either of you want. But if I'm put in the bind, or I have to schedule... Stop.
Yo, guys, we need like 3 more likes and we'll hit like 70 likes, which is insane. Thank you guys for the support, and yeah, I'm gonna go back to the live stream.
Make sure I understand the issues coming at me. Ms. Moskowitz, is it the scheduling of the Apple party depositions? Is that the issue, or are there more issues than that?
There are a few issues, Your Honor. So I'll just briefly summarize so you have a sense of the universe. So it's that Apple hasn't given us dates for witnesses, 5 plus Mr. Q and Federighi to the extent that those are. We also are an issue over the timing of Mr. Schiller's deposition, which we do not want to start at the close of fact discovery. We want it earlier. For several reasons. It's the issue that, which I haven't summarized yet, but Apple is dumping documents on us on the eve or even after some of these depositions and unilaterally trying to cancel them. We have a deposition scheduled for Wednesday, Mr. Kuzminka, that Apple let us know over the weekend that they had just produced 65,000 and are producing another 65,000 documents for him sometime this week at some point. We are insisting that deposition start on Wednesday. We can't keep pushing things off. We have to start, and we want Apple to agree or be ordered by the court to make him available for his second day, a longer second day at some point after they have produced the documents and to commit to a date certain on that. So that one is a little bit tough to wait just because his deposition is starting on Wednesday. Apple hasn't responded to our notice of deposition to confirm that we will be getting him for longer than the 10 hours and to start it as scheduled. So maybe that's something we can just put aside because it's a little bit pressing. We have the same issue about a deposition starting tomorrow where they dumped 10,000, which I guess drop in the bucket compared to 130, but still they're producing documents at the last minute on these depositions, and they have to get their act together on these documents. These are not new custodians. These are old custodians. So the arguments that Apple's counsel made.
Bruh, Replica, bruh, I don't know how to pronounce your name. Just shut up, bruh. Fortnite Mobile isn't coming in 2022 and Apple isn't winning, so just shut up and stop saying false stuff.
Basis. There's a couple of other issues, Your Honor, not directly tied to deposition. Some interrogatory answers that Apple keeps refusing to give us supplemental answers to, and we're running out of time. We need them. We're 21 calendar days away from our expert reports going in and for fact discovery to close. So we need, unfortunately, the court to compel them to do it because absent us coming to you, we just don't get them to move. So while I wish I didn't have to bring disputes like this to Your Honor, we unfortunately do. And we have a similar issue about some document production issues where they committed to tell us basic things about what we were getting and what standards they were applying, which custodians they were doing, and they haven't done that either. They committed to and just haven't done. So those are 3 separate letter briefs that Apple has and about document issues, interrogatories, and depositions. There's a little bit more meat on the bones on that, but I'm cognizant that Your Honor is not looking for a full-blown presentation on them, just a summary.
Okay, so there's 3 letter briefs that you've sent to Apple, is that right?
Correct, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Srinivasan, when will Apple be able to brief its portion of those 3 letter briefs?
Sure, Your Honor. We think maybe by Thursday we could comfortably do that. We have a lot going on. I mean, we are quadruple tracking, and so we do need some time. I would just mention briefly that a number of these issues, particularly on the interrogatories and the document production, parties have worked it out, are working it out, and we will. I mean, we will or we won't. I mean, if Epic is going to insist on bringing these to the court, we'll brief them, but I think many of these will be moot. Just a few things. Mr. Kuzminka, he is not a new custodian. He is an Epic custodian for which he has an Epic production, which is the ones that started anew. That is the issue with Mr. Kuzminka. The notice for Mr. Kuzminka we received 4 days ago.
Oh my god, bro, Ripsikin, bro, can you just shut up and stop giving people, false information? Guys, this kid, I'ma ban this kid, bro. Bro, nothing is happening yet. They're just talking about 30%. And yeah, that's, everything they're talking about. And in the end, they're gonna summarize everything and tell us if, Fortnite Mobile will come back.
So let's turn to that. Here's what I'm ordering. I'm ordering the parties to file these 3 joint discovery letter briefs by noon on January 29th, which is this Friday. And then I'm going to schedule a hearing for Monday or February 1st at 10 a.m. on those letter briefs. With respect to deposition scheduling issues, I strongly encourage mutually satisfied is likely to be better than one that I order, especially since the next hearing is going to be 14 days before all the depositions have to come to an end in the epic case. So you have a strong incentive to work this out. But that's what I'm going to do. I'm scheduling a hearing for Monday, February 1st at 10 a.m. And I want these letter briefs in by noon on January 29th. Is there anything else that plaintiffs would like to raise today, for today's purposes?
No, bro, like none of them are winning yet because they're just debating right now, so they're not talking about like which one is winning. Because in the end, they're gonna like talk about which one is winning, and like they're gonna be like, okay, so basically, if Fortnite Mobile is coming back, like this is gonna be in the end. So make sure you watch till the end, and guys, please like. If we hit 80 likes, bro, I'll have like a huge surprise for you guys. Okay, let's get back to the live stream.
I think you should work it out.
Your Honor, to that end, Ms. Moskowitz mentioned the deposition tomorrow and the documents that we received just last night. I'm not sure exactly what the count is. I know she referred to something around 10,000. I'm not sure if she means that count as 10,000 documents or pages, but it's certainly a lot of pages, and we're still in the process of literally putting those into the system, ingesting those, and figuring out exactly what's there. But again, that deposition begins tomorrow on a 30 B1 basis, but also where the class plaintiffs are concerned, where the developers are concerned. Apple told us, I believe it was yesterday at 10:47 a.m. that they'd also designated the deponent that begins tomorrow as their 30B6 spokesman as to two of our topics. And the fact that they've just produced this large number of documents last night, there's no way we can do a 30B6 deposition of him as well, whether it's tomorrow or continue to the next day. So I just wanted to put that on the court's radar. We understand the court's instruction to try to work those things out. We'll try to do that with Apple, but that may be something we need to raise with the court as well, depending on what Apple says when we raise this with it.
I see. Okay, thank you.
Your Honor, just lastly, I don't want to keep you, but to the extent we have that date, we do have some other brewing issues that we didn't yet raise on 30B6 negotiation.
Okay, guys, I'm not trying to hate, but look at Benjamin, like the down like guy. Look at him. He looks like he's want to kill himself. No offense, though. Okay, like we're 5 flags away from something huge.
Raises them with just come up with the. So I wish you luck in working things out, and I'll see what you're unable to work out, and we'll talk about it then.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Judge. We're off the record. Court is in recess. Thanks, Marla.
Yo, I think they finished the court hearing, bro. Damn, that was huge, bro. Oh my god, bro. I hope you guys enjoyed the court hearing. That was pretty much it. And, bro, that was actually, bro. So if you guys don't understand anything, like, I'm just explaining to you. Just ask me a bunch of questions about the court hearing, and I'm explaining everything to you guys. Because most of you guys don't understand what happened. So I'm explaining everything. Let me just we're 3 likes away now. When Fortnite Mobile comes back, can you add me and we can be friends? Yeah, bro. Is Fortnite Mobile coming 2020? No, bro. Who won? Bro, we're still like waiting because I'm pretty sure like they said they're gonna get Tim Cook to the court hearing, but that's not like sure though, you know. Hold up, let's go Twitter real quick. Yo, hold up. Yo, what's up, Sleepy? Hold up. There's this tweet from Golden, guys. See in the stream. There's this huge tweet from Golden. I'm gonna go to Golden's Twitter. Basically, nothing happened. Now, a lot of things happened. There will be another court hearing on February 1st at 1 p.m. EST. It looks like Epic and Apple might be getting the lawsuit done somewhat soon since they're around 1-2 core hearings. Oh my god, okay, guys, this is actually some huge good news, bro. Oh my god. So they're basically saying February 1st, which is about like 5 more days, the lawsuit might be done and Fortnite Mobile will be coming back. Like, I'm actually not capping right here. Bro, oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. Let's go, bro. Oh my god. Yo, like, I'm actually not just talking rubbish right now, bro. Oh my god, this is actually insane, man. Yeah, man. Okay, yo, sorry about that. Oh my god, bro. Some awesome news. Yo, oh my god, this is pointless, bro. No way. Like, look at this. Read this tweet, guys. He's basically saying that 1 p.m. EST Fortnite Mobile will be returning. So, guys, drop a like. 4 more likes, and something huge will be happening. Oh my god, this is insane, guys. Let's go, bro. Oh my god, bro. I'm actually so happy right now, man. Bro, Fortnite Mobile will be coming back. Oh my god, bro. I might be making a video about this. This is actually insane, bro. Let's go. We have been waiting for 6 months now. Yeah, bro. Bro, so this core hearing was actually huge, man. Like, I told you guys, just if you guys just paid attention, you would have known like what was happening. So if you guys are new to the stream, basically Golden just said that there will be another court hearing on February 1st at 1 p.m. EST. Looks like Epic and Apple might be getting the lawsuit done somewhat soon, centered around like the lawsuit will be done. Like, this whole thing is about the lawsuit, so the lawsuit will be finished and stuff. So after that, we're gonna be chilling, guys. Oh my god, bot lobbies. Don't get your hopes up. I mean, like, don't get your hopes up, but this is some big news, bro. Like, I might be getting my hopes up here. The judge got announced he wants to get Tim Cook, CEO of Apple, into a court hearing for 7 hours. This could be the final hearing. Okay, bro. Oh my god, this court hearing is actually gonna be long because they're gonna get. I remember, guys, when when they're gonna like. Oh my god, I'm stuttering. Sorry. When they were like talking about Tim Cook and Tim Federini, this was like they're talking about 7 hours and 4 hours. So this is it. Like, they want to talk to like Tim Cook for 7 hours and like talk about, do you want Fortnite Mobile back and stuff. So this is actually some huge stuff right here. Oh my god, I'm retweeting this. This is how sick it is. I can't wait to do duos with you. Yeah, same, bro. Oh my god, this is some insane news, bro. Oh my god, drop a like in the stream because this actually ended up good. I thought this was like the court hearing would be ended and like nothing would have happened, but bro, this is some awesome news, guys. Oh my god, let's go. Yo, what's up, Abik? Yo, ask me any questions. Come on, I'm down. I'll answer everything. If you guys have any questions about Fortnite Mobile, when it's returning, anything, bro, answer. Or if you guys want me to react to some videos, I can do whatever you want at this point. Yo, this was awesome, bro. Oh my god, okay. Finally, I don't need to buy a console to play. Yeah, bro. So thanks for the stream, yo. Thank you, Joseph. Like, or Jose. What are you gonna do when it first comes back, bro? I'm gonna make I might even do a giveaway, to be honest. That's how happy I'm gonna be. Who long is the break? I beat it, bro. Guys, if you're new to the stream, basically, the core hearing went awesome, bro. Nobody win. Yeah. But we got some insane news, come, bro. Like, go on Twitter, bro. It's actually some insane news, bro. Thank God, bro. Sup, gum, huge fan. Hey, okay, gotta go. Bye, slurp. See ya, Jos. Yeah, I know. Make a video, bro. I mean, like, I streamed about it. Should I make a video? I mean, like, I could collab with Wavy Gum or Rehit. But I'ma see. Hey, what happened? Bro, you just missed everything. So, look, like, basically, the court hearing went awesome. Because they're basically saying they might close down the lawsuit at February 1st. Because they're gonna have Tim Sweeney there for 7 hours. Which is insane. This is actually some awesome news, bro. Thank God I streamed this. This was actually so worth it. I thought in the end, like, nothing was gonna happen. But this is actually some awesome stuff that happened right here, guys. How can I get Fortnite back on my iPhone? Just wait till 1st of February, and then, like, I'll tell you everything, like, literally everything. I had Fortnite Mobile, and I accidentally... Oof, did you just delete it? Rip, bro. I think you can get it back. Like, watch one of Golden's, like, Fortnite Mobile videos or something. So what happened, bro? Like, we got some awesome news. Hold up, read these tweets real quick. We got 80 likes. Where's the surprise? Okay, so the surprise is that I already said this, that I'm gonna be doing a like a a shout out every video for my supporters. So whoever supports me every video, that likes, comments, and has like post notifications on, and just writes done in every video, I'm gonna be giving him a shout out. So that's the surprise. So thank you guys for 80 likes. This was an awesome stream. And yeah, I'm pretty sure that's it. I might be reacting some. I'll wait for it. You grinding? Yeah, bro. I'm on my grind, bro. Especially with the streaming. I really wanted to hit 700 this month. To Slurp, remember me? Yeah, bro. GamerLex, what's up? You used to play mobile Middle East. I liked. Thank you, Andrew. Really appreciate it. 80 likes, 86 likes. Oh my god, four more people like Code Slurp A, bro. Yo, four more people like, bro. I'm be grinding this year, bro. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna be reacting to some people. If you guys want to be reacted to, just write your name or write me or something. Yo, can we duo when it comes out? Yeah, definitely, bro. I'm gonna be doing some live customs. I'm gonna be going all out when it comes back, bro. Yo, this is awesome, bro. Oh my god. Gum, remember me when you reach 2K. Yo, what's up, Serp? Yo, what's up, XD? I'll get Fortnite back. So when is coming? Do we know? Yeah, we know. It's basically gonna be coming out after February 1st for sure. So this basically confirms that Fortnite Mobile will be coming this year and like this next month for sure. Like 100%. I got so shocked when it got banned. Yeah, same, bro. Yo, it's some awesome news. I can't believe this. Yo, if you're new to the stream, 3 more likes and I'ma be smiling. Yo, but actually, like, I really, like, thank you guys so much for the support lately. Like, I know, like, maybe my voice is annoying or sometimes and stuff, but, like, thank you guys for the support. Like, I really can't believe this. Thank you guys so much. Like, this is my second time streaming, so I don't really have, like, a lot of experience and stuff, but this support, like, you guys showed me was awesome, guys. Epic needed to change CEO. Yeah, Tim Cook is trash, bro. His decisions for the company is trash. I told you guys to never give up. Yeah, Ojigam. Do you play mobile syrup? Of course, bro. Road to 700. Epic needs to change CEO. Bro, Riplitikin, I don't know what your name is, bro. You've been hating the whole stream, bro. Get out of here, man. You've been like saying Fortnite Mobile won't come anytime soon. Now look at this. It might be coming up February, so just shut up that mouth of yours, bro. You kept saying it's gonna come in 2022. Bro, that would shut you up, man. When is the release date for Fortnite Mobile? It's definitely gonna come on February if the score hearing goes awesome. So after 5 days, it's gonna come good, you know? 2 more people, please. We're almost to 90. Okay, and also guys, sorry for the background noise and stuff. Yeah, road to 1.5k. For sure, bro. Imagine if I hit 1.5k, bro. That'd be awesome. Oof, we're actually close to 1.5k. I might be hitting it, not gonna lie. Yay, only 1 week. Yeah, bro. 91 likes. Oh my god, thank you guys so much. And your voice lagged. Nah, unless Epic is that unlucky. Fortnite is coming back on Apple. Yeah, it's Fortnite definitely is gonna come back on February if this courting goes. So it's a 50-50. It's actually not 50. It's like a 80% Fortnite Mobile will come back on February and 20% it won't. I drop a like and subscribe. Thank you so much, Savage. That collab should have 1k. Yeah, bro. I don't know what happened to it, bro. You, the best YouTuber, bro. Thank you so much, Dorsey. Let's go, bro. I only play Fortnite Mobile so I can 1v1 my brother with the PS4 controller. So what happened? Is Fortnite coming back? I just subbed. Thank you so much, Delta. Yeah, guys, so Fortnite Mobile will definitely be coming back in February. This is some awesome news you guys don't even know, bro. Like, oh my god. Like, it's a 80% chance that it's coming back. Because, look, I'll read this tweet if you want me to again. Since it's awesome. Ronitia, bro, thank you so much for the sub. So there will be another court hearing on February 8th, on February 1st at 1 p.m. EST. Looks like Epic and Apple might be getting this lawsuit done somewhat soon since they're doing around 1-2 court hearings every week, bro. So they're gonna be doing like 1 to 2 court hearings every week, but I'm gonna be streaming the February 1st court hearing for sure. So if we get 100 likes on this video, I'm gonna be streaming the court hearing on February 1st where Fortnite Mobile will be coming back. 80% chance. Everyone who likes Fortnite and wants it to come back, like to the stream. Yeah, bro, please like. We're 6 likes away. Anyway, guys, has been confirmed. It's not 100% confirmed, it's 80% confirmed. Because the lawsuit is gonna finish on 1 p.m. EST. Working on a video. Hey, man, keep up the grind, bro. Has been confirmed. Oh my god, it is coming back. Yeah, bro, you didn't read the tweet. You guys should read the tweet. I'm like literally on it. I finally could play Chapter 5, bro. Imagine Chapter 5, that would be awesome. Just add 20 to 80 and Folia. Bro, I don't know what that means, but yeah. Yo, like 6 more people like the video, please. 25 people are watching, 24 people are watching the stream, so if everyone like that's watching right now likes, bro, we might hit 100 likes, bro. If we hit 100 likes, for sure, I'm gonna be streaming the 1st of February core hearing. Yo, what's up, RPM Ahmed? Is it back? Bro, oh my god, you guys just missed out big time. Hold up, like the stream, 100 likes, and I'll be streaming this, but... Wait, bot lobbies, finally I can escape from this. Yo, so basically Golden tweeted out that February 1st at 1 p.m. EST looks like Epic and Apple might be getting this lawsuit done. So this basically means that the lawsuit will be finished, so this whole argument will be done and we'll be getting Fortnite Mobile back at February 1st in the core hearing. Like if the core hearing goes good at February the 1st, we'll definitely get Fortnite Mobile like back. So your 80% doesn't mean that much. Bro, this is big news, bro. Slurp is the best. Thank you so much, possible. We're 6 likes away, so please like the stream, guys. Like we're almost at 100 likes. Please like, bro. I don't trust Golden a lot, man. Bro, he's like one of the most trusted people. Yo, thank you for that 1 like. Whoever liked that, wherever you are in the world, thank you so much. Thank you guys so much. 3 more likes and we're about to hit 100. Is it back, bro? No way. Like you missed everything. Fortnite Mobile is definitely coming back though, bro. Like. Oh my god, this is awesome news. If you guys like, I'll read it again for you. That's how much hyped I am, bro. Oh my god, let's go. Yo, 1 more like. So just 1 more guy likes. So Golden tweeted out again in that trusty, bro. Trust me, Golden is actually one of the most trusted people since he talks with Epic employees. If you guys didn't already know, he basically said that there's gonna be another court hearing on February 1st at 1 p.m. EST. Looks like Epic and Apple might be getting this lawsuit done somewhat soon since they're doing around 1 to 2 court hearings a week. So he's basically saying that lawsuit done. This basically means if the lawsuit is done, then there's nothing to talk about. So like Fortnite Mobile will be coming back. Bro, he said it's ending sometime soon. Yeah, if the court hearing ends, like everything or the argument ends, then Fortnite Mobile will be coming back. He's 70% false. He clickbait. So what, bro? Like he clickbaits, but it's for a good cause, you know. I'm also going to stream it. Who's going to stream it? Hopefully, if Fortnite Mobile comes back. Yeah, bro. 2 more likes and I'm definitely gonna stream it. If 2 more people pause the video right now, goes down on likes, that would be awesome. And I'm gonna be streaming it. So yeah. Sadly, I agree with Replic. Hold up, I didn't see it. He's 70. Slurp is the best. Thank you, bro. We will miss chapter 4 on mobile. Yeah, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. We hit 100 likes. Thank you guys so much. This has been an awesome stream, guys. Oh my god. It will end on February, and when it ends Fortnite Mobile, yeah, exactly. If the 1st of February, like the Korean goes good, it's definitely gonna come back, like no question. If like Epic wins this, I'm pretty sure Epic is gonna win too, because like Tim Cook is gonna be talking. I'm pretty sure Tim Cook will stop doing dumb decisions like in these 7 hours. Because if you guys didn't already know, the judge just announced that he wants Tim Cook, CEO of Apple, like onto a court hearing for 7 hours. This could be the final court hearing. Like literally, Golden is one of the most trusted people. Now you need to Slurp is the best. Thank you so much. What have I said, Replic? Lol, bruh. Like you guys are actually the best supporters, bro. Like oh my god, we got 100 likes on my second stream. It is Tim Weenie. Most likely Fortnite is gonna come back in the App Store. Yeah, most likely, man. Slurp and Golden should collab, bro. Imagine. But I feel like I'm too small to collab with someone that big. Like I don't get a lot of respect because I have only 1,000 like subscribers and my voice is so squeaky, so I don't get a lot of respect. But I'm still grinding, bro. Even if the haters hate, who cares, bro? It's Tim Sweeney. Who else looks at when videos were posted to see how long Fortnite has been banned? Yeah, bro, I do that a lot. Yo, what happened to the court hearing? Is it returning, bro? I'm gonna explain this for you again, because like if you subscribe right now, that would be like really helpful and stuff. But yeah, I'm explaining for you. So Golden just said that there's gonna be another court hearing on February 1st at 1 p.m. EST, which is after 5 days. I'm pretty sure it's after 5 days, I think. So the lawsuit will end at there. So basically, Fortnite Mobile could be coming back or will be coming back at 1 p.m. EST. So the judge will have Tim Cook 7 hours in the last court hearing. So like Tim Cook will be talking for 7 hours and like talking about if he wants Fortnite Mobile coming back or stuff. So this is actually gonna be a huge court hearing. So yeah, we hit 100 likes. This means I'm gonna be streaming it. So yeah, maybe the accept kid guy might die. Are they talking about getting Fortnite on Android also? Yeah, they're talking about, because as you guys know, also the Google Play Store banned Fortnite. I mean, like Epic Games. So I think they're planning about like getting Android too. Why is RIP so toxic, bro? It's like I can't ask questions. This is Epic, not Nitro. It's already there. I can't wait to play Fortnite Mobile Chapter 2. Yeah, bro. Thank you, bro. I subbed. Thank you so much, VSync. The break is done. Tim Sweeney. This is so epic, like Epic Games. Can you add me? Yeah, sure. It's Tim Sweeney. Hey, Hassan. Yo, what's up, bro? Hey, yo, what's up, Slurp? Yo, what's up, JRN? It's Tim Sweeney. It's Tim Sweeney, Tim Cook. So, yeah, guys, I think I'm going to end it off here. It was an awesome court hearing. And, yeah, thank you guys so much for the support. Like at one point in the video we got like 65 like viewers, so thank you guys so much. Thanks VSync, my user Green Chamber. Okay, just try it in one of my videos and I might be accepting it. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, and yeah, I'm out. Peace.